Hi there! This problem looks complicated unless you know this simple trick. Join me and let's figure it out together. A cone is partially filled with water. The water reaches the midpoint of the cone's height. Then the cone is turned upside down, and this time the water rises to point E. Find the value of PE over OP. Okay, for solving this question, I'm not going to use the Froston volume formula, but if you're curious about that approach, I've linked a full video of another example in the card. Okay. In this figure, the water reaches the midpoint of the cone's height. You can see that PT is half of PO. So you can see that we have this small cone and this big cone, and they are similar. And now remember an important fact. The ratio of the volumes of two similar solids is the cube of their scale factor. In fact, when their scale factor is 1/2, so the volume of small cone over the volume of big cone is a scale factor to the power of 3, which is 1/8. That means this small cone occupies 1/8 of the entire cone. Therefore, the water occupies the remaining 1 minus 1/8, which is 7/8 of the cone's volume. In fact, the volume of water over the volume of big cone is 7/8. So far, so good. And now, turn the cone upside down. The amount of water doesn't change, so the small cone in this figure must have a volume equal to 7/8 of the whole cone. Again, these two cones are similar. If the ratio of their volume is 7/8, then the ratio of their corresponding heights is simply the cube root of 7/8. In fact, we should reverse the process. So, for finding the ratio of their corresponding heights, we should find the cube root of their volumes. Cube root of 7 over cube root of 8. Cube root of 7/2. This is our final answer, but you can use your calculator to find 0.96 approximately. Okay, this is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and support me. And I also highly recommend you to watch these related videos on this topic. See you in the next video. Bye for now.